Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to yet another video around the Moodle LMS. So in this video today we'll see how you'll be able to import or create a course in a bulk. Okay, so you see here it's manage course classes and subjects. So this will basically I have renamed this one. So it will be a manage courses and the category it will be. So you see here the add a category, add new course, restore course, download course content, course request, this. Okay. So one more button you see here that is saying upload courses. So if I come within this, I can see I have to choose a file here, but currently I don't see any sort of example so that I can export that particular CSV and input the course details and I can upload here. Okay. So how will be able to do that? From here we'll get that CSV. You'll have to make sure you are on the we have the details what all the details will be required within a course. First thing will be required we'll have the sort course full name. Okay, so I am going to create a CSV here. Okay, so I am going to create a CSV and the title I will put here the full name. Then so this is the same name I just copy from here. This is full name. The next thing I should have this short name. Okay, so the name will be short name. Got it? So you see here course name and the short name is the required field. So other also the category. Okay, so what category it will go within? Let's see. But this should be the name ideally. Let's see. Okay. So the full name, short name, and category. If I come here to see on the form, these are three required fields that will be required to create a form. Okay, so I don't see any other either within course format, either within appearances, and everything I see as an optional fields. So I have added this three one. Let's see. I am going to put let's see my name and course one. Same thing I am going to add this and the category I will add is hyphen cat 2025. So even I am not sure because I am trying this for the first time. Let's see whether it is going to work or not. So second and the second. So if I come to expand this one, you see here I have pasted here the two course. Well, under downloads, more options. So that's why it says the TXT. So .csv should be there. So this is how the CSV file save will work. So now if I come to open this, I see I don't need this one. So this is my CSV file. I have prepared a data, the full name, short name, and this is the category name. Okay, so let me try importing this one to see the result. So directly jumping into this page, so upload courses, and then from here I can drag and drop. Yeah. So of course my CSV is a comma delimiter. Create new course or skip existing one. So in case you will be entering here within the CSV any name that is already exists, so that will be skipped with these options. Create all, increment short name if needed. Okay, in case there is already created with the same name, it will add some incremental number or details to the short name, the course short name, and it will be created. create a new or update the existing one. So in case you have already the course and the category and other details are different, so it will be updated within this option 3. And in case you have some new within CSP, you want to skip that one, you'll have to only update existing users. Sorry, existing course. So I don't have to worry around the existing one. So let's see whatever is coming default. Let's move ahead it. So if I come here in the preview, I see the result cross short name, full name, ID number, status. Could not resolve category by ID. So this issue is coming. Why? Because I think the category will take as a number there. So what is the category? So let me come to that. So if I come here and I have to add it within this category, I can see this is a category ID 10. Yeah, on top I see the category ID 10. If I come to into this one, you see the 10 one is the element training. Got it? So here I think I would have to input the number. So I have to add the number here. Got it? So now I have saved this one. Let me try again. Yeah. So go back on previous page. Again go back. So even it is not going back, I can cancel. Sorry, that option was for preview. So again going to cancel this one. So let me try again here. Sorry. So courses preview. Yeah. So line 1 2, I see the result is tick for now. And yes, so this is the two course. So within this category currently I see only three course. So let me try jumping into the final one. So okay. So I also see here the default course value of category is coming selected, in my case this one. Okay, so that is the one I have added here, that is category ID 10. You see this is the 10 ID. Yeah, so let's upload now. Yes, so the course is total 2, courses created 2, course updated 2, course deleted 2. So this is how you can try uploading the courses. In case you have to upload multiple courses, you can go for using these steps, like you will have the data into this CSV. Okay, so now if I come here and replace this within this category, so this is the selected one, I see here both of my courses coming fine. Yeah, so if I come to edit this page, this course, I see here the sections, right? So start date, end date, it is taking default as from whenever I upload plus 1 day, and 1 year into this course start, the end date will be taken automatically. Okay, so let me try updating details this time. So this is the ID number I have to update here. Let's say my ID 1, my ID 2. Okay, so you are fine with uploading the course. Now let me try up, updating this course. So if I come to this, I don't see anything, any progress here. Go back, choose again. This is so create all incremental sort if needed, create new or update existing. So I have to pick this one. Okay, so update mode, update with CSV data only. Got it? Preview. So I see the result 2, 2, 2. That is fine. Upload. So course total I see here the 2, course created 0, course updated 2. Okay, so let me try refreshing this one. Of course, I see here the category add. Yes, you can also go for updating the description as well. So you'll have to keep trying at your end, and you have to also put here the format in case you want to update. How you'll be able to do that? So the format is this. Okay. So the format, if I come to see this, so this is course format. So I'm not sure how it will working, but yeah, you will have to give it a try at least how it will working. But yes, of course, it should be working from here as well. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hopefully, we'll be trying at your end how you'll be able to create a course in a bulk and how you'll be able to update the course information in a bulk. So that's it from the video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.